Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need the eVGO app or RFID ready and a valid payment method. This lets you authorize charging quickly. Once there, confirm the station's connector type matches your vehicle, CCS or CH a demo, and position the car so the cable reaches comfortably. Make sure the car is in park and the parking brake is set. This prevents interruptions. Then open the app or tap RFID, select the charger number shown on the unit, and authorize the session to unlock the connector and begin. You should insert the connector firmly until you hear or feel the latch engage so the charger communicates with your car. Once charging starts, set the power level in the app if the station supports adjustable kW. This optimizes battery heating and charging speed. Monitor the kilowatts and state of charge % on the app to track progress, and check station lights for any fault indicators. If you need to change settings or pause, use the app controls. Make sure to confirm the action. When you're ready to leave, stop the session in the app or tap your RFID. This signals billing and releases the lock on the connector. Wait for the station confirmation chime or light change, then remove the cable and return it to its cradle. Stow any covers and confirm the transaction receipt in the app. If the connector fails to unlock, try closing and reopening the app or pressing the station help button. If that fails, note the charger ID and contact eVGO support for remote release.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.